Sambal. What's in sambal?
Sambal shallots and chili, but not spicy.
Oh wow.
Are you hungry, Dal?
Yes.
Good.
So you put all these there for decoration, and then it's totally in the way, aren't they?
Thank you.
All right.
So what have we got? So,
Right.
kimchi.
Yes.
Fish.
Yeah, sea bass.
Yes, sea bass and what is that? Green bean.
Egg.
Egg. Yes.
Sea bass.
Yes.
Egg with
Sea bass.
green.
Sea bass, sorry again. Egg and greens.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks very much.
When you do the soy sauce, do you put your finger?
No, do you?
Yeah. It stops it from coming out that way.
Oh yes.
So it has like a better flow
Okay.
instead of just like.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Good go. It's alright, we're just using that for
That is spicy one.
What would you like?
Could have tried that.
Oh, the sambal one.
Do you want any more sushi?
That is the sweet. That is the spicy one.
I haven't done this before, have I? Is this new for me as well?
Yes. That is for later.
Oh, soy sauce.
Oh, also.
What is
Thanks.
what are you going to?
You are, yes.
No,
No, you first.
No, just fine. I use this one right now.
Oh,
That's quite nice.
Which one? Yes, fresh is it?
The egg one's really nice.
Really good sauce.
The egg one.
That's really nice, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Consider it's got tomato in as well.
But only for flavor, sour. Thick.
Oh, just to make a flavour. Oh, right, okay.
You can eat the tomato.
Meg loves tomatoes, isn't it?
It's my favourite food.
Sport for choice, you. Sport for choice.
Do you want to try this one, right?
Give it a go. Nice, that is.
Yeah.
And the sambal also nice.
Right, give us some salmon.
Really nice.
What's for mine, anyway?
I don't want to tell him.
no way! Two
All the competitions, you know, like fighting off.
Two double yolks in a row.
He's obviously going to win, isn't he? That's when I won the best net for the club championship.
Hari ini saya bikin nasi goreng dan sate. Ini adalah makanan yang diinginkan sekali dari alergi kacang ini karena seumur hidup dia belum pernah makan sate dan pengen makan sate dari episode sebelumnya. Jadi saya keinget hari ini dia berulang tahun, saya bikin kejutan.
No, louder. That's better.
Happy birthday! Whose birthday?
Can you play the wedding march?
No.
Oh. Very good.
There you go.
I know that.
Go on then, mate, turn it off and come on, we're having some, I don't know what we're having something anyway.
With the side.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Wow.
Now listen.
Thank you.
Hot the plate.
Thank you.
Oh, hot the
Oh,
plate.
look at that.
Wow.
2 egg in there then.
Yes, to get the double.
Fantastic.
Go!
I wanted the double.
It looks really good.
I get the double.
Yeah.
I wonder what a double is.
Sounds like
Does it
sugar.
taste different?
Which one is it?
Nasi Goreng.
Yeah,
That
You want it
You want it
spicy?
spicy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want non-spicy?
Yes, I did. Is that the spiciest dip?
Yeah, that's the spiciest thing. That's what you meant to have with it. That's the better one.
What is it?
For the sauce, you can use
You can't resist
that sauce,
the spicy one,
Lauren,
can you?
Oh, thank you.
because you don't eat the peanut sauce.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes.
Because normally you have with
Peanut
peanut
sauce.
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 Because everyone I picked out went, that was really nice, was peanut butter.
Yeah, was it?
Put some.
Let's shift the wine.
Just on the top.
That's it.
Is it soy sauce?
No, it's like some kind of creation. And Mummy's done.
You mean potion?
Yeah, that's the word, potion.
The best part about prawn.
Yeah. They're not prawn crackers, those are. They're
Proper.
crumpets.
And the,
Enjoy.
thank you.
And who's got the double yolk egg as well?
Yes. The youngest and the oldest.
Oh.
Never thought of that one here. Yeah.
Tell me if it tastes different too.
Mm.
Different.
This is really, really nice. Oh, this one's my favourite one.
Now you know how the taste of satay.
Lovely. It's really nice, thank you. It's really nice.
Oh, wait, that's the first time you tried satay?
Yeah, like this, because you don't eat with the, what is that, peanut sauce?
Mm-hmm.
That is normal. Or with that one.
I've got some of that one on this one. Really good, isn't it? It is amazing.
You sure?
Absolutely amazing.
Nice.
Really good.
I think it's my favourite one. I think it's my favourite we've done. It's really, really good. You like it?
The rice name is Nasi Goreng,
Mm.
fried rice.
It's really nice.
It's really, really nice.
Next time we should give them otakota
What's that?
fish.
All of fish.
You like fish?
In English, it's brain.
Oh.
So in Indonesian, it's otak, and then if you translate it, it's brain.
But it's not brain,
Yeah.
it's fish. Is that your favourite? What's your favourite?
Fish. On top of
Do
that,
you like the kerupuk?
and then
Eating
the
rice.
wrap.
You look like proper Indonesia eating
Do you
kerupuk
like-
with the rice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Does a goey yolk taste different?
It's
Really?
extra yolky.
Oh my goodness.
Good.
It tastes so different.
So yolky.
It does.
Is it?
It tastes more like jiggly.
Jiggly.
It's more jiggly.
Is that a chef word?
Jiggly puffs.
Is that the sort of thing Gordon Ramsay would say? Bit more jiggly.
The yolk tastes different. Tastes different.
Everybody enjoy today.
Yeah, lovely.
Nice, Yuni.
Yeah.
I tell you what, don't give you gas though.
So
They're almost saving themselves for the desert, so it's up.
desert. Our restaurant almost closed.
Don't
Closing time is 5:45.
That's right.
Yeah.
Double yolk.
Double yolk.
It tastes different.
Did it? Doesn't taste the same.
Did yours taste different?
Yeah.
Mine did.
Maybe.
Maybe mine was the second yolk.
Maybe we added something to it.
Can we carry on with the quiz, or is there some desserts coming? No desserts. Okay, well, crack on.
No
then.
dessert.
Okay.
Restaurant close.
Oh, restaurant, that's fine. Let's go.
Are you really want the dessert? No. A full.
Yeah, full, yeah.
That was really nice.
Really nice, yeah.
But I have a hot drink. Later, just go down the food first, then you have a hot drink. Okay? Remember
the
the
hot drink one.
aromatic the drink?
Oh,
from
yeah,
Michelle?
yeah.
That is good. Yeah,
That was delicious.
that's it. Yeah.
I spoke about that for a good day.
She did, yeah,
afterwards.
she did.
Is it?
I really enjoyed it. I kept saying to Meg, I was like, really enjoyed that cup of tea.
Yeah, I have that one.
I think it's
Hi guys, I'm gonna try and make an omelette. This is my egg. Let's crack it. I'm not good at cracking eggs, so my mum's gonna crack the egg. Opening the egg.
You want to open the
No,
egg?
no, I'm terrible at doing it. Whoa, it's a double yolk! Oh my god! It's a double yolk! What? It's a double yolk! Can I tell Daddy?
Yes. No omelette. Okay, we make like this.
Yeah, so
Mix
how
it.
do we do it? Yesterday, this happened. So we got these eggs from Mummy. She was cooking them, and this is what happened. She opened one egg. It was one yolk, alright? She opened another egg, double yolk. Alright? She opened another egg, double yolk. That was 2 double yolks. And today's the 3rd double yolk. Wow. It's just crazy. Alright, hi guys, this is the first time I'm gonna flip it over. Whoops. Wait. 3, 2, 1. There we go. I have flipped over an egg. First time ever flipping over an egg. Now I just need to open it up.